Hi, John here. In this video I will go through why you should never follow any Facebook ad recommendations, to your campaigns, or even do any of these improvements that they are, offering you in their emails, and why all these, Facebook ad account recommendations improvements are actually based on completely false data that you should never follow or trust them. Okay, so all of us that are running some Facebook ads, you already are pretty much familiar, right, with this page, where basically is the page about, the account overview, and basically Facebook is serving you here. They're latest recommendations, right? Basically, they have some idea that could possibly improve your campaigns based on completely false data, and they are trying to serve you that idea, right? So let's say that here are telling you that you should combine these three similar ad sets, because they are affected by fragmentation. And basically since 2021, since basically Apple decided to completely destroy Facebook ad tracking, right? They are basically getting data that are completely false, right? Because they can't track people anymore. And based on those data, they decided that the best idea that it can have, how to basically improve your results, is to give you recommendations based on these false data, right? So they are sometimes, giving you, ideas like this, right? Combine these three similar ad sets, because they're affected by this problem or that problem. Or sometimes they just immediately send you something even more hardcore, right? Like let's say here, turn off 73 of these ad sets, affected by auction overlap, right? Because multiple ad sets in your account have the sales objective and similar audiences, causing them to enter the same auction for the same people, right? And Facebook don't really care, right, that I have 73 ad sets active in this ad account, and that ad account is actually running at almost 3 hours, right? Because what they care, it's not really about results, but that I have overlap, right? Obviously, because I'm focusing on sales objective, I don't care about sales, I care about overlap, right? Because I don't want to target constantly same people that are giving me money. I need to target, some other people, right, that might not even give me money, but who cares, right? Because this is about overlap. And well, this is kind of a typical problem with Facebook, right? They have no data, and they are giving you, some advices that are based on a thin air, right? They don't really care about if you are making money or not, because if they would know that I'm making money, they would probably not send me that email, right? But since they really don't know if I'm making money, they are giving me some awesome, advices stop here $3,000 of budget because it's obviously not making money, right? But I mean, 73 ads is basically equivalent of $3,000 per day budget, right? Daily budget. So that means that they think that I'm obviously a complete idiot and I'm spending every day $3,000 without really expecting any profit. So this is actually wanted to record this video, right? Because a lot of people actually follow this crap, right? And this is same thing with, for example, when you are running Facebook ads and you see next to your ad sets, that it's still in learning phase, because that's also based on nothing. None of my ads has literally ever exit learning phase. They are all constantly in learning phase because I have small budgets, right? But they are making money, but they don't know that, right? So and that's why they are giving me recommendations. Oh, yeah, it's still in learning phase. You should kill it, and do something with it. But it's making money. Who cares, right? And to be honest, this is actually same thing when I'm getting calls from Facebook reps, right? These Meta pros these days, because literally all of them, and I still didn't met one that didn't tell me that, are saying you should switch off this campaign, right? Retargeting or whatever, switch it off because it has overlap, right? Or there's a high frequency, and they don't really care if that campaign is producing money, profit, right? Because only business owners care about it. So that's why definitely, if you see something like that, never trust it, right? Always trust only real data. That means that if you want to run, ads profitably, you anyway need third-party tracker, right? I use Hyros, for example. And basically Hyros will tell you, right, okay, so it made this money, it spent this money, but it will tell you a real data. It's not extremely accurate, 100%, it's 90%, but Facebook is 40 or something. So, but still, with Tracker, you know exactly this is making this amount of money, this ad set is making this amount of money, and should I stop it or not? You know, it's profitable, so obviously not. And well, that itself will really like help you a lot more than following, you know, these. I mean, what these emails even mean, right? Like 73 ad sets, you know, stop it because your sales objective, you know, and you have like overlap, like why, you know, why they are even sending these emails? What it has to do with like real results? Or even if they would follow their like fake results, they are still like high, right? So why they are even sending me that email? Because I mean, they have like fake data, right? And even based on their fake data, it's like profitable. So why? Yeah, so definitely do not trust it. Trust only your own data. Never run anything without third-party tracker because you are literally like playing a roulette basically with your money, right? Or with your client's money. Without data, you can't really make any decision. So get third-party tracker and ignore Facebook ads, you know, recommendations. So I hope this video helped, and if you still didn't download my new ebook, Facebook Ad Launch Guide for E-commerce, definitely do it because it's free, you know, still free right now, and I wrote it for e-commerce owners, right? So you better understand, you know, what to do when you want to launch campaigns, launch new ads, right? Start running some ads for e-commerce store, or if you, for example, already, you know, have agency or, you know, freelancer, and you want to know if they're actually doing a great job or they are kind of like a slacking and like taking it easy, right? So this book will definitely like help you to solve all that, you know, and increase your sales. And there are a lot of like advanced stuff like how we run $50,000 per day, all our like optimization rules, right? And how to actually, you know, create these rules for each product because each product has like a different price point, right? And you need to know all these things, right, before you start running some ads. So definitely download that. And if you like my videos and would like to see more of them, definitely subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. And I will see you in my tomorrow video. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.